Hello, this is Mr. Doty, and I want to talk to you a little bit about Chapter 16 from CAD-222. We'll say this is the intro video for this part of the class. Chapter 16 covers quite a bit of stuff, and I do mean stuff. There's a lot there. You have mechanisms, linkages, which that's not spelled right, cams, gears, and bearings. So apparently I need to work on some of our spelling here. I'll have to say that I'm not responsible for that, but we'll go from there. But I do need to fix that because that's not cool. All right, so one of the things I wanted to let you know is under teaching aids, some of you guys may have had trouble finding the end of chapter problems for the assignments, which I have now also copied over to the assignment folder. We also have the PowerPoint, which is not what it was labeled earlier, and I fixed that. I'm not worried about the review questions. If you turned them in, you're going to get full credit for them. You're good. Then we have linkages, cams, and gears. Obviously, I have some help for those under here. Some of the ones are videos and things from Mr. Johnson. And, you know, for the most part, they work. And you can usually figure out what you need to for there. Please let me know if you find that you need help with other things, and I will try to add that help in there. Then under cams, I've added some to this. This video is not actually one of the problems, but it's similar to, so I went through and just to show you how to lay out a modified constant velocity cam. So when you get to the cams and you're working on those, you can come back and watch the modified constant velocity, and that'll help explain what the book says. Then we have some other examples on here of cams and how the diagrams look and so on. I also have some videos under the assignment links that go along with the assignment that you'll be working on to kind of help you kind of get those turned in and get them done correctly, or as correct as we can. Okay, so you also have gears, and there's some videos here. Most of these are on SolidWorks, but Inventor will have some tutorials as well. Just go to YouTube, type in gear, making gears with Inventor, and you'll find some good videos there as well. Obviously, I tend to lean more towards SolidWorks, and that's fine. AutoCAD Mechanical has some tools in it that you can use to actually, it's the, I believe it's called the shaft generator, and you can actually create geometry for gears and other things that may help you. We used to take those before SolidWorks and Inventor had their gear generating tools, and we would make the gear outlines and then copy and paste it, into our sketches and extrude it in SolidWorks or Inventor. So they've kind of come along and they have some tools now. So there's some videos there for that. Gear train calculations, drawing a simple gear with AutoCAD, just some different things that you may run into that'll help you out with gears. Alright, so that's all there is in the teaching aids. Then of course you're also going to have under the assignments, the instruction sheets I haven't redone since I took over the class, so that's why I'm making the video, to kind of help you out with that. So you're going to go to the assignments, and I changed it to assignment handout, and this has all of your assignments. Now, like I said, I'm not worried about the review questions. If you turn them in, you're going to get a grade for them. If you're like, well, what are you talking about? They're not even there. If it's not there, then you're in a newer class, and I've already deleted them. So, isn't that great? Less things for you to do. So I've gone through here, and I don't know if I've turned them off in here or not, but there's some of them that I took out as far as the handouts, and I took out a couple of problems, or I was in the process of doing that. And so your list may look a little different than what I'm showing here. That's all right. So as usual, when you want to turn something in, you click on the link, you browse the local files, you load it up, and you're good to go. Now, one thing you've got to remember is if you're going to give me a SolidWorks or an Inventor project, make sure you give me the whole thing. If you will do a pack and go, or it's actually a pack and go under each program. And I have made a video of how to do that, and if I don't have it posted on here, I'll add it to help you out. So please make sure you use that process, because that makes it a lot easier for me to be able to grade and pull things up, and it doesn't make me frustrated and make me not want to grade your stuff, which is never a good situation when somebody has control of your grade and they're not happy about how they're having to open up your assignment. Just a little hint there. So this is what you got to do for chapter 16, and I'm going to conclude this video, and we're going to move on to the next part, which will be going over the PowerPoint. So we will catch you on the next video. Have fun.